Hi, everybody. This is Dutman, Dustin,
What's up?
and this is Gabriella. So today,
Throwing up gang signs.
what are we
Just
doing today?
Me? You want me to say it?
Yeah,
We're doing a comment picker for a giveaway, an open giveaway today.
and it will be closed after this, and then you'll have 48 hours to get back to me. I will put my email in the description. You send me an email with your way to get your address so I can get you your package. And then we're gonna take the kitty. She don't want to go.
She's like, no.
So we're gonna show you what is in the giveaway once again because I added one more item. So there we go. Look at that.
Kitty,
Pretty?
kitty.
That's pretty, huh? You're gonna get this package. So what's in the package, guys? Okay. All right. Literally, I need them upside down. Okay. We have snowflake stickers from the Dollar Tree. Uh-oh, she's gonna...
I want to eat my oatmeal.
This is, I think, from either Michael's or Walmart. These are thin tags. These are what I put in there. Very thin tags. They're called 6 skinny gift tags. So, I think that's Walmart. Then you have a beautiful, never used before stamp set. There's 5 clear stamps, Inka Dinka Doo, and they're little fairies. If you can see the little girl in there,
called?
Inka Dinka Doo.
What?
That's the name of the company. So there's 2 little fairies, one as a dragonfly and one as a butterfly, a hummingbird, a flower, and a ladybug. Then you have some more gingies. Everybody loves the gingies. So that's very popular this year. So if you want these are from Walmart and they're puffy stickers. Then you have this. I got this in a grab bag a couple years ago. I got so many of them that I'm just giving them away. Then we have a wooden craft, a 3D craft kit. And it has the candy canes, the present, the house, and all the trees. So you can craft in paper or you can craft in wood. Then, let's see, there's something in here. Can you grab that out of there while I do this? We have a little, this is a little notebook with a little truck on it. I just stuck that in there. And then you have these. Everybody's going nuts over the Nomies. So you have a little Nomie from the Dollar Tree with a candy cane ornament as well.
They really missed out on an opportunity to call it ornaments.
And then, all right, guys, so I told you the story about the Raggedy Ann dies. This is the last one I have to give away. And this is from DIY Art Bin. So this is the whole giveaway. So we're going to somehow go, how do I do it?
Click on Google Chrome. Oh, wait, no. Go to desktop view first.
So we're going to the comment picker.
Now go to Google Chrome.
Now I have 15 unique comments. So I'm going to go over here and I push start, right?
Mm-hmm. Now you scroll down.
Eye Candy Crafts. Woohoo! Yay! Congratulations. Send me, you have 48 hours or over the weekend because it is Thanksgiving tomorrow. Just send me your, send me your address in the email that I provide, And I'll send you your package next week. God bless you. Keep creating with love. How do I stop this?
Ding, ding, ding.